friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to upgrade or update your Mac OS to latest version. So if you want to upgrade or update your MacBook to latest version, so what you have to do, first of all, here you will see setting option. Okay, now you can click on this setting option, and here you will see lots of options here. Now you have to click on the software update. So when you click on this software update, here you will see Mac OS Venture 13.1. Now I have to upgrade to it. Now what you have to just click on more info. So when you click on more info, you will see what will you get when you upgrade your Mac OS Venture. So work smart, play hard, goes further. So like this you can see what are the benefits you will get and what are the features you will get after updating your MacBook to latest version. Now after that, now if you are ready to upgrade, so what you have to do, just click on this upgrade now. So when you click on this upgrade now, here you will see everything. So now you have to just agree, click on agree, and now here you have to enter password. Okay, so I'm going to enter the administrative password here. Now click on OK. So when you click on OK, you will see that downloading macOS Venture 13.1 has been started. So like this you can update or upgrade your software to latest version. So if you like this video, please like my video or subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.